welcome back. We are in Atlanta, Georgia, specifically Emory Point, and we are headed to the General Muir, which is a Jewish restaurant, Deli restaurant. And it is Michelin recommended, and apparently the brunch is amazing. Yeah, guys, so we show up Saturday mid-morning for brunch, and the place is bustling. It was a lot of fun there. Great atmosphere. They have a bunch of bagel options with the schmears, and but we went for the brunch part. So we had to get a couple of bloodies, obviously, to start the day off right. Got the deviled eggs. Love me a deviled egg. And I had to go for breakfast. So I got the 2 over easy eggs and the latkes. And I don't know, there was a hamburger in there. Baby girl got her some salmon. And I do believe there was a Reuben in there. But awesome time. If you guys are in that area in Atlanta, you got it.